Hey, this is Chef Chris with the Fisherman's Dock here in Beacon Kitchen, and today we're working with wild Alaskan salmon. Now, wild Alaskan salmon season lasts from May to September, and it's available at any of our Fisherman's Dock stores until the end of season or until the supply runs out, really. The difference in wild salmon and farm salmon is the fat content. Farmed salmon tends to have almost twice as much fat content as wild salmon does, but wild salmon really has a true wild salmon flavor. It still has the benefits of the omega-3s because most of the fats are stored in the skin. Today we're going to be making a ragu out of tomatoes, olives, shallots, roasted garlic, tarragon, white wine, butter, and Asiago cheese. These ingredients cooked together will create a nice, robust, thick sauce, otherwise known as a ragu. First, we're going to start by scoring the salmon, the skin side of the salmon. Using a sharp knife, just create a small, shallow cut in the skin of the salmon. This prevents the fish from curling while it's being seared. Next, we're going to season our fish. A little bit of sea salt and cracked pepper. I've got my pan heating up. We're going to add some olive oil. Seared skin side down. Pressing it a little bit to make sure you get a good, even sear. After 2 to 3 minutes, we check the side. Looks good to me. Flip it and cook for another 2 minutes. At this point, we're going to add our shallots and our tomatoes. And we're going to turn the heat to high. Now we're going to add our roasted garlic and our olives. The brininess of the olives is really coming out, and I can start to smell the roasted garlic as well. At this point, we're going to add the white wine and a touch more salt and pepper. We remove the fish and let the sauce reduce by half. Just before adding the butter, we're going to add our fresh tarragon. Let that cook for about 30 seconds. Once the wine is reducing down to what is called au sec, or just dry, we add our butter. Using a spoon or spatula, swirl the butter in until it incorporates itself into the sauce. To plate, take the ingredients of the ragu, next our salmon, and then finish with a few more ingredients right on top. And then a little sauce. And to finish the dish, we add Asiago cheese. And there we have our wild Alaskan salmon with a tomato and olive ragu. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and like. For this recipe and many others, go to fishermansdock.com.